Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point and then where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely did make some progress. I mean, they got a nice bounce and they closed up quite a bit higher than where the price was at its low point. However, this does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at the $3.25 mark. Why is $3.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength. So if it's a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. You're probably saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, of course, if a bounce is truly a bounce, it's going to keep on bouncing and not go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 325. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back some more and then behaves like this before starting to, work its way back up. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly strong move is going to do, right? That's what a genuine bounce is going to do. It's going to keep on bouncing, and I'm defining and quantifying the phrase keep on bouncing as staying up above 325. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's all about the famous 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line right there. You can see in a couple of different instances the price got relatively right up around that area and then got rejected back down. But top priority right now, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through that healthy consolidation and building that higher base, which again is right there at 325. So we shall see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.